Hello everyone, my name is Gracie Snapka and welcome to my first screencast. Today I will be demonstrating how you will use your persuasive essay speech and make a Kahoot quiz out of it. I think learning how to create a Kahoot quiz is very beneficial for any future presentation or project that you're doing in class. It keeps your audience engaged and eager to learn more. And honestly, who doesn't love a good Kahoot? So let's begin. As you can see on my screen, I have my persuasive essay speech outline that talks about the benefits of college students owning a cat. I have my introduction with my hook and thesis statement. My thesis statement which states that cats have many qualities that are beneficial to college students, such as affordability, cleanliness, and low maintenance. And as I go down, I can see my body paragraphs, my 3 body paragraphs, each with a topic sentence and evidentiary support. And finally, at the very end, I have my conclusion and my wrap-up, and it states, although college students live busy, studious, and sociable lives, having a furry companion can be very beneficial. The most beneficial pet, the cat, provides affordability, cleanliness, and low maintenance. These 3 qualities are what a cat can only provide. So your persuasive speech outline should look something like this, so that is ready for the Kahoot. So let's jump in. We're going to go to Google Chrome, and you're going to make sure you type in Kahoot.com on your search engine. Make sure it's Kahoot.com on your search engine. And if you do not do this, it may say Kahoot.it, and that will take you to the player's point of view, and we do not want that. So next, you're going to log into your Kahoot account, which is right here, this login button. And you're going to put in your login info. And then your password. And so once you log into your Kahoot account, your page should look something like this. And now you are ready to create your Kahoot quiz. So you're going to click on this Create rectangular button that's blue at the right-hand side, and you're going to click on it. And then you're going to click on your Kahoot, this green button right here. And so to start your Kahoot, let's think about some ideas and what we discussed in the speech. So let's look at this. So just by looking at this essay speech, I think a great question that we could start off with is just asking about what this speech is about and what we're learning here. And we know that what this essay is it's about the benefits of college students owning a cat. So we're going to click on this little white tab here that says start typing your question, and we're going to type our question. A great thing we could start out with is saying, what is Gracie's speech about? And we're going to first put in our correct answer, which I can choose any of these answers right here. It's completely up to you. I'm going to choose this blue triangle, and I'm going to type in the correct answer, which is the benefits of college students owning a cat. And to make sure it is my correct answer, I'm going to click on this little white circle here and make sure that is green so that you know that is the correct answer, and make sure you remember this for any future questions that you may take. And what I also love about Kahoot is you can create your own answers, and you can kind of like trick and kind of like stump your audience to make sure that they were listening. So I could also say in this green one, the benefits of college students owning a dog. And then I could also do silly ones like the benefits of owning a fish. And then I could say the benefits of owning a bear. So now that you have completed it, I'm only going to do one question due to shortage of time, but you could also select your time limit. So you could do 20 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever you'd like. I'm going to choose 20 seconds. And you can choose your points. I can do double points for this one. And then once I'm done, I'm going to click save. And I could do my finishing touches. So my Kahoot title, which is about Gracie's speech. And then I could do an outline saying this is Gracie's Kahoot on her speech. And then you're going to press continue once you are done. And now it is ready, and you could test it, play now, and do whatever you'd like, but that is it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this benefits you and that you can apply this to your learning. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.